Good morning, dear children. I am Anita, your English teacher. This year I am going to take your second language English. So before knowing whatever is there in the textbook, you should know the grammar. Grammar is very basic to English. So I think you all learned this grammar in your previous class in your 7th standard. So before knowing that, in English there are 26 alphabet. So we have 26 alphabets, that is from A to Z. So these alphabets are, we call it as consonants and vowels. Consonants and vowels. Here we have 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O, U. So they are vowels, and rest of that whatever is there, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So they are called as consonants. I hope you know this in your previous class. So they are alphabet A to Z, 26 alphabets, consonants and vowels. And one more thing is that this group of letters, so this group of letters is called as words. So we'll see what are words. They are group of letters. So group of letter means if you add any letters, that will not become word. So there should be meaning in that word. For example, so this is also group of letter, but there is no meaning to this word. So it is wrong, and there should be meaning in that word. Example, mat. So there is a meaning to this word. So this, like this, the group of words are called as words. It may be your name, my name, Anita. So this is also group of letters. So this we can consider as words. So words means group of letters. I hope you understood. And next is, after words, you should know about sentence. So we all make sentence while talking with other. We have to build up a sentence and to converse with other. So sentence means a group of words which makes a complete sense. There should be a sense in that sentence. For example, I am a teacher. So there is a meaning, I am a teacher. So this we can say this is a sentence. See there, to this is also group of words, but there is no meaning in this sentence. To, she, man, this. So there is no sense in this sentence. So we cannot call it as a sentence. It's a wrong. And while making sentence, there should be a sense in that sentence. There should be a correction. It should be in proper order. That proper order, which comes, it is called as parts of speech. That is very important. English, you should know parts of speech. Without knowing parts of speech, we cannot learn anything. So after sentence, so you should learn the types of sentence. So there are assertive sentence, declarative sentence, affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence, and so you should know the types of sentence. That is very important. Whatever type, the statement types of sentence and question types of sentence, and even that interrogative sentence is called as question type of sentence, and you have affirmative sentence, declarative sentence. So that you should know in this grammar classes. And these all briefly I'll explain in the next class, children. And before that, you should know whatever will be there in your textbook. So in your 8th standard textbook, you have 8 prose and 8 poems and 4 supplementary reading. So this you will learn in this year, dear children. So thank you.